Okay, I'm going to record this and we're going to actually have a quick look at these questions. So, expanding brackets with quadratics like this, straight from the Year 9 curriculum, your Year 10 Advanced Maths, we want you not only to be able to do it accurately all the time, we want you to start developing some shortcuts to do it faster so that you can be more efficient. So for these questions here, I can expand them in one step. The first one is going to be x squared plus 5x plus 6. I didn't memorise these answers, I just am looking at the question and I can work it out. The second one will be x squared plus 8x plus 15. I've worked it out as I'm writing it. You guys can work this out as you're writing it just as quick if you know the shortcut, I promise you. The third one is x squared plus 5x plus 4. The reason I'm getting all of these up here at the moment is just so you can check you got the correct answers as well. The fourth one will be x squared plus 1x minus 6. Which is just x, correct. All right. Would anyone like to tell me what they think the shortcut is when the questions look like this? Liam, go. Okay, so the 2 and the 3 I add to get 5, and then I just stick a x next to it. Good. Keep talking. So for these ones here, so instead of doing 3 plus 2, I've got to do 3 minus 2 because it's a negative. All right. What about the rest of the expression, Liam? Keep talking. So the 2 x's by themselves will always give me x squared. So I times them to get x squared. And then I times them to get my constant term, the one on the end on its own. And then I add them to get the middle term. Good. That's the shortcut. All right. Can someone make up an example for me? And then tell me what they think the answer would be. So just make up a question. Do I have to randomly pick someone? Chaz, go, make up a question.
3x squared.
All right, okay. No, you're writing up that part. I don't want that part. Make up a brackets question like expand, that we're going to expand.
Y plus 6. And then x.
Can we stick with y? Notice they all have y, x's. Okay, so if you expanded this, Chaz, right, what am I going to do? What's the shortcut? What's the answer going to be in one step?
Y squared.
Good.
Plus 14y.
Good, 14y, we add them.
Plus 48.
48. Good. All right, now, let's do a non-example when this doesn't work. What if I did that question like Chaz was about to and made one of them an x and one of them a y? Will it still work, Mary? No, why not? Why not? Why can't I add them to get that middle one, do you know? They're different letters, good. So when I do this problem, I get 8x and 6y. They're no longer like terms. So it doesn't work if I have different letters. The other time it won't work is if I have a number in front of the x. So I've got a number in front of the x. This trick won't work then either, because when I go 3x times 2x, that's 6x squared. 3x times 3 is 9x's. 2 times 2x is 4x. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So I get 6x squared plus 13x plus 6. Notice it wasn't just 2 plus 3 to get the middle term anymore. Great shortcut. I've got to recognise X is by itself, and it's the same letter. Question, Jack? Oh, it's not getting that far. It might when I actually post it up because it seems to add a little bit. Hopefully it does. All right, same deal. These questions have a shortcut. Can you expand them and then see if you can tell me what the shortcut is? Go.